everyone, I am Prakti Jha Parasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of Lexis and Company. In this video, I am going to describe the Article 14 of Indian Constitution. This is some introduction part of Article 14, Part 1. So, what is Article 14 of the Indian Constitution? The state shall not deny to any person equality before law and equal protection of law within the territory of the India. To treat all citizens equally in the base on the concept of liberalism, and Article 14 ensure the same to our citizen. The liberty of any person directly connected to equality, he or she getting the society. So Article 40 basically divided into three parts: equality before law, equal protection of law, and access to the justice. So equality before law divided into two parts, that is not absolute and similar to the rules of law, and equal protection of law comes under the positive concept, and access to justice includes the equality in front of judicial system. So what is equality before law? Our country, as our country, as we know, that it is a democratic country, and in fact is the largest democratic country. So in the world here, all are independent to think in anything and independent to do anything, but it has some restriction also. So in the eye of law, all person within the country and within the territory of the country should be treated as equal. Equal before law basically means that all persons should be treated equally, no matter whether they are poor, whether they are rich, they are female, male, upper caste and lower caste. So, but the state cannot provide special privileges to anyone in the country. It is also known as legal equality. That means everyone in the eye of law is equal. That not means that he or she is poor or rich, male, female, upper caste, lower caste. All are equal in the eye of law. So equality before law and not an absolute equality. What does it means? So on one hand, equality before law prohibits providing any special privileges to any community or people. It does not talk about the equal treatment in equal circumstances. According to it, there must be a very ideal condition, and the state does not need to interfere the society by providing special privileges to special person. On the other hand, right to equality is not absolute and has several exceptions to it. So, accordingly, equal should be treated as equally. Example: immunity provided to the president and the governor. Reservation is also a typical example that define the right to equality is not absolute and can be restricted in the society. So, in the case of state of West Bengal versus Anwar Ali Sarkar, what is in this case? The question of whether the right to equality is absolute or not was raised. So here the Supreme Court held that right to equality is not absolute. In this case, the state of Bengal was found to use the power of arbitrarily to refer any case to the special court which was made by them. So it is held that Act of State of West Bengal violate the right of equality. So this is all about the equality. As we know, equality before law is defined not absolute and the similar to the rules of law. So this is only one part. So what is the equality? Article 14 defines. Article 14 defines that India is a democratic country. All persons are equal before law, and whether the governor or whether the government or whether the normal citizen, all are equal. All should follow the law. And whether they are poor, they are rich, or they are male, female, or all comes under the law. So, but they are absolute or not is also defined under this. So equality before law means all are equal. So this is all about the equality before law and equality before law in absolute manner. So this is absolute manner. So this is all about the Article 14.